Welcome back to the floor of the CME Group here, February 1st. Big day today, 13 out of the last 15 months we've had updates on the first month. I'm Killer from Treasury Curve. Treasury Curve is an institutional money market portal. We assist firms in their overnight cash management. Now let's talk about this Middle East situation. Cairo, Egypt, we've been talking about a lot. I guess, folks, we can just discard it. The Middle East is fine. Markets are up. The Dow's up 100. The S&P just made a marginal new high at 1299.75. The Nasdaq's up 37. So I guess all the issues, and God knows we have a plethora of issues at hand, the market is putting it aside. They're looking domestically towards the earnings, and they're seeing this bull market continue. Get me at the Killer on my Twitter or comment on this video, but is this kind of a pump fake here? What are we looking at here? Are people oblivious to the actual global economy, or is this market continuing to go higher? Let me know. I think this week we have a couple other things coming out. ADP tomorrow morning really moved the markets last time. And unemployment on Friday, which we are always looking at that number. Very important number. In the Treasury state, we saw that test of the 119.20 level again. Went down to 119.17, folks. That unemployment low was tested, came back above. Currently, we're about 120 even. In the event we stay above this 119.28 level, which I've tweeted to, every time we test that level, get back above 28, the objective is 120.18. We'll see if that comes to fruition today. In the 10-year, overnight range of 120.02 to 120.28. Same thing, folks. I wanted to test that 119.31.5 level at 10-year, and it came back above. A big block trade, if you saw it, when it was trading around 03, a big block trade came through, and of course, we're the last ones to know, but they bought 15,000 at 05, and that was that initial kind of move up in that 10-year. In the S&P, 1299.75. Currently, we just made that high, a marginal new high. It seems like the upper side trend is going to 1309, but maybe we come off this marginal new high here. But all bets are off, folks. We were down at 1262 yesterday morning, and now we're basically almost 40 handles higher in S&P. There's 1 million people in the streets in Cairo. There is no violence. I think that's the key. So one Molotov cocktail, this thing could get crazy quick, rock back under that 1290. That weekly pivot is back down at 1280.25, and the monthly pivot is now coming in at 1279. So I don't think the bears have a chance until we get back underneath there. The bulls are in control. They're dominating the markets. Euro currency, as we see these European countries continue their tightening policies, I think, rates, as they continue to tighten, that U.S. dollar index is going to continue to get abused day after day. New lows. I mean, every time I get up here, I talk about the U.S. dollar index getting crushed, and it is. So we saw another new high in the contract of the European currency at 137.98. We're trading up there. It's lock in step with the S&P market. So, folks, as much as I want to focus on the Middle East right now, I think that development is going to come out of the next day or two. But we have to see the new leadership. There's a lot of issues at hand, but right now, the market bulls are in control. So be careful. And one more thing, remember, be the hammer, not the nail.